Yet I prepared step-by-step answers to the question, how do I make a move? Today, I'll share what you need to do at each stage, along with tactics that minimize your risk of rejection. Ready? Let's begin. 1. Evaluate yourself. Before taking a step toward a relationship, find the answer to, is now the right time or not? This will lay the foundation for every subsequent move. Move forward in small steps. Treat each new action as its own rung on the ladder. 2. Sprinkle subtle compliments. Instead of saying outright, you're so handsome, offer natural, brief compliments like, your smile feels so genuine. I really admire your ideas. Your intelligence impresses me. Observe their reaction. Do they just say thanks, or do they seem to want more? 3. Make effective eye contact. If your eye contact is shorter than 1 to 2 seconds, you may appear insecure, but longer than 9 seconds can feel suffocating. The ideal duration is 5 to 6 seconds. Holding their gaze for that long signals the pre-flirt stage. 4. Maintain communication duration. Experts say that if your texting or phone calls average around 45 minutes, the other person likely has flirtatious intentions. Keep that pace and avoid abrupt cutoffs. 5. Propose and gauge a date. Suggest an outing. Shall we grab tea this weekend? How many times does the invitation get postponed? If it's always, I'm busy, let's catch up later. Pay attention to when you actually meet. If a date finally happens, it means you're on their priority list. 6. Observe behavior in social settings. In a group of mutual friends, how much time do they spend with you? Do they avoid talking to you, or do they proudly introduce you? Their behavior in that setting is a clear sign of sincerity. 7. Gather intel. Little rumors help you understand what they say about you. Signals like, I saw them tonight and they were talking about you, will clarify the flirting process. 8. Use the delay strategy. Once all signs turn positive, don't rush in. Wait a bit to build curiosity. A touch of patience keeps their interest alive. 9. Choose the right time and place. Messaging or social media aren't ideal for opening up. Find a quiet, secluded spot where you can meet face to face. Say, there's something I need to talk to you about. Then meet up. 10. Deliver a clear confession. During the conversation, say, I like you. I want to get to know you better. This line will fuel your rocket. Say it with confidence and a sincere look in your eye. 11th. Embrace the silence. After confessing, stay silent. Wait for their response. Acting impatiently kills the excitement. Whatever their reaction, this moment of silence will reveal the true answer. Applying these 11 steps in order will greatly reduce your chance of rejection and let you clearly understand the other person's intentions. If any questions come to mind, let's meet in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe so we can combine our forces. See you in the next video. Love.